time. Hear it again. Alright, y'all, we made it to the car meet. We at Concord Mills. We got the gang in the back. We lit. We got the gang in the back with the scat. You feel me? We at Concord Mills with the Twin Peaks. Y'all know if y'all from the core, you feel me? Solid. You feel me? Y'all know the vibes, but we finna get lit. We got the gang in the back. Yeah. I don't know what the f he's doing. Yeah, it's stupid deep. Got 4G.
Fat ass Cam. Look at those.
Big boy Cam, what's good, y'all? Big Cam, y'all see what's going on? We finna head to the meet on some shit. I'm finna pull the vlog out.
Y'all tune in. That shit gonna be right up here. Leak 4G. I gonna see it.
I'm setting up the settings right now.
It's deep.
Oh yeah. So look, y'all, we done made it to the little event.
I'm gonna put the cam back out when we close to the cars. We made it to the Twin Peaks meet. It's deep as hell. Got all the cars out here. We got the Subaru smooth little joint. Smooth little joint, feel me? We fixed the setting. We got a little smooth 5-0. Feel me? The joint nice.
We got a 5-0, the regular.
Yeah, bro, it's mad cars out here, bro. See, he popping the hood, he feeling great. You got the motorcycle, you got everything out here. You got the Beamer. These the real tough cars, bro. We got another Beamer. Got the big body truck. Even got the little Stinger. The Stinger got the drag pack on it. Come on now. Stinger?
They feeling good. Stinger feeling good.
But we know what we all here for. We got the big body cat. Got the nice little wide body. It's joint smooth. And it's a, I don't know if y'all see it though, but it's a red eye. It's a red eye. It's definitely a red eye. Yeah, bro, it's a cool little vibe, bro. It's mad people here. It's dumb deep. Look at this, y'all. Nah, y'all tell me what's in this. I don't know what's in it, bitch.
I don't know what we
y'all tell me what is in here. I don't know not one thing, but I know this joint goes stupid.
This way, so you know that bitch goddamn.
That bitch spit forward.
That shit probably sounds like that diesel truck.
Yeah, God, I love to hear this. We got the truck. Oh, that's that big body.
I don't even know how he gonna get out of here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even know why he started his joint. That shit is crazy. This we got a little. This the. Hey, this your boy? This the car you was talking about?
Oh, this definitely is Ricky.
Is that Ricky?
He fucked this shit up. Yeah, Ricky.
We got the 426.
He got the cold air, right?
I don't know what a 426, but I know his joint's crazy. He got the drag pack on this hoe. I ain't gonna lie, that shit look crazy.
Hey, his shit loud as fuck though. He start his shit, that shit loud as fuck.
But I ain't like, everybody got the drag pack on this. Everybody got the drag pack on their car. Look at the Subaru though. Peep the Subaru though. If you don't got the drive pack on your car, yo. Got Scoob in the cut.
You know this bitch fly up.
That bitch, that little bitch.
I done seen
Yo,
that bitch
what up, gang?
Shoot up. We done got Scoob on the camera.
Yo, what up?
We all gotta get a vet, man.
Them bitches too fast.
What?
I'm gonna get in
The
trouble.
vet hard. I ain't lying. This joint dumb low though. Y'all rocking this? Hold on, let me get the thumbnail.
Look, I'll get all black vets. Nigga, that's gonna be crazy.
Stupid ass.
All black vets, nigga.
But everybody got the drag pack. Everybody got the drag pack. You don't have to push it. No. You just bumped into the mirror. You just bumped. Gotta cut that.
But yeah, y'all, look. Now the Benz, that bitch, you know this hoe.
Oh, what's that? That's an Audi? What is that? That's an Audi.
God, you got it right on the dot. It is an Audi.
Not Mopar.
I'm gonna turn the cam back on when we catch another Mopar. I'm tired of not seeing Mopar. What y'all think he gonna do? Oh! He not on shit.
That shit sounds good though. I know when you press his gas, that bitch probably got
Yeah, that's loud as fuck.
press his gas, that shit.
I thought he was gonna skate out of here, but he did not skate out of here. I need to see a trackie or something, a cat.
Hey, that's really a Hemi.
We seen the trackies, but they parked over there. The track car.
Yeah, we gotta really get out over here. We gotta go down this way.
Wanna go over there? Finna see what. It don't matter. Okay. It's deep. Like it's cars everywhere. Got the M3. Shout out Beamer boys.
Really about to put this trash can right there.
Got another Beamer. Shout out Beamer boys, but this joint not it. I fuck with the M3 though. That's smooth. Ooh, I didn't even see the carbon fiber on that bitch though.
Carbon fiber.
Whoa, hold on. I can't mess with that because look though, that nigga a sheriff, twin.
That nigga is 12.
That nigga 12. I ain't gonna lie. F that car. That nigga is 12. And if you see this video, I'm sorry. Don't get me. What y'all rate this this meat? 1 out of 10 so far. I rate this meat a smooth little 6, bro. I'm not seeing Mopar. Look at this though. Bro got them fat ass cannon.
That all black.
Bro got the fat cannons on it, bro. I mess with that. You can't go wrong with the GTR. Got the Charlie, but it's a V6. Where you? It's not making no noise.
That shit sound like a vacuum cleaner, bro. I
That
can't
joint,
stand that shit.
his joint make no noise. I ain't gonna lie, this joint is crazy, but look, I know something crazy.
V8 on the side. Whole time that bitch probably
It
take
do
off.
say V8 on the side.
Whole time this shit probably
This
take
shit
off.
ugly, but I
This shit ugly,
you
but
feel
it
me?
probably take off.
I'm telling you, that joint probably go crazy. Got the Beamer. I'm seeing too many Beamers. What you rate the meat, twin, so far? What you rate this?
It's smooth, man. Like the vibes, you know. Smooth.
5?
6.5, 6.5.
6.5. We got the Hellcat right here, bro.
Ooh, the catty, by the way. I ain't even witnessed the cat. The cat found me.
We got the wide body cat. Finally, I'm actually seeing some type of Mopar, bro. You know I love to see my Mopar.
Right. You tired of that as hell, don't you?
Feel me? If you don't got he got the black Brimbos. He got the drag pack on it. He going crazy.
I'm in the Hellcat trying to make her kitty purr.
That shit smooth. That shit smooth. We got the Mustangs. I don't even know. We got just the 5.0. You can't never go wrong with the 5.0. They tripled up. We got the red Brembo to match it with the Coyote. He went Coyote on them. We got the yellow one with the yellow Brembos with it too though. You feel me? Got the yellow Brembos on them too. Out of all 3 of these hoes, which one the best? Let me know down below in the comments. I'm low-key messing with this one right here. It's smooth.
This is what Ricky shit used to look like before he fucked it up.
Which one the best out of these three?
Out of these three, you know, this kind of remind me of
That's what I
Skirt.
said.
That's why I like this one.
That's what I said. This one's smooth.
I fuck with the other one. I gotta go Bumblebee. That's a coyote right
This
there.
is a W-ass
This
hood.
a coyote.
Got the best hood.
I fuck with
That's
this one.
coyote. Y'all sleeping on the yellow Kobe shit.
It's either this one, and then that one. The orange is kind of mid. The orange is kind of mid.
This is smooth though.
Look at this.
This shit low.
You do got the skirts. You not
This
lying.
a Bumblebee right here.
And he got the things in.
You can't count this one out though. This one doo-doo though.
Ain't gonna lie. I got first, second, that's third. But don't hit on the orange. Orange definitely hard. All this shit hard. I got the yellow. I got all this shit hard. And he got coyote. I gotta get the coyote. Stain. Yeah. He got
That shit scared me. Here go the V10.
Right there, North Carolina.
Hold on,
I told you. It's the basketball.
I ain't like this. Is probably just the best car I've seen. Like you can't
he got the SRT.
can't go wrong with the
Durango.
SRT, bro.
Boss man. Y'all see that?
Bro, the
Big
Mopar's
tires.
coming. Watch out.
That bit hard.
Got the Durango. That bitch smooth. He cool. He's a cool guy. He got the damn. He got the big cannons on it though.
Look at the back.
Don't mess with it. He got the big cannons on it though. That's a RT. That's a RT.
RT with an SRT Brembos.
Should we go to the two-step?
That's all I'm saying.
Got the 5.0 supercharged.
Okay.
Got the little Mazda.
You hear me?
They going crazy over there. And it's a Chrysler. Hey, I'm crossing.
Oh, they over there?
Ooh, hold on. Hold on. Ooh. You good, bro? Goofy ass nigga getting their weak ass camera. He got the 5.0 with the Brembos on them.
That bit slimy. That's YB in that bitch.
YB in there, y'all.
Young boy, that's young boy stain. On bro.
Say that's young boy thing. We got the vet.
He feeling smooth.
He got his hand out on the thing. He feeling great.
We gotta get out of here now. We ain't going over here.
Okay.
Ain't nobody with
Jay got a little limb in the back, man.
what's going on.
I don't know. Jay got a little.
I don't know y'all, but look. I guess
Jay a smooth guy, bro.
cool, too cool. Cool, dude. He
Got the 3.9 Deuce, but you got the
with the
goddamn.
You see the car?
We got the 3.9 Deuce with the rooftop. You feel me? With the sunroof and it's purple.
How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet these lights purple?
You think
his lights turn purple when they turn? They probably do.
What if
Y'all
he turned that
fuck with
bitch on
this?
right now? He was in that hole.
Y'all fuck with it? I ain't gonna lie. I'm not fucking with this.
I'm fucking with the purple. This like the mid. This really midnight.
Nah, no bullshit. This is what you call midnight.
Hold on, you didn't see the back. It got the wicker bill.
Okay. Let's see the back.
What's this?
I ain't gonna lie. I'm not fucking with this.
No hezzy, 392.
Okay, no hazy. And he got the
And his
no
plate.
plate.
Don't play with him. He is not on
He
it.
get going. He
I
one
don't
of
know,
them.
bruh.
He one of them. What you mean? You don't
He
fuck
here.
with it? Nah. Hell no.
He trying to rate. What you got?
What you got, gang? Okay.
Where's that?
Nice as hell.
Hold on. Guys, let's check it out.
God, looked up.
I think it's just the
Nah, the 390 deuce.
The 39 deuce hard, you can't hit. He say he trying to race.
He say he trying to race him.
Yeah, he say he trying to race. Yo, he say he trying to race.
Oh, he know got that big. Oh, look, we.
He said he'll race the guy.
He said when he see him, he gonna get him. He said he gonna get him when he see him.
Call him, man.
Man, yeah, you
He gotta call that man.
Hey.
You gotta call him.
Hey, I wanna see what you got though. I wanna see. Let me see what you got though. Okay, you got stars in the center too? Okay.
So light work, so light.
Okay.
Y'all got a YouTube?
Hell yeah. Got the little tube going on there. Sir, I wanna see what you got. The wide body?
Yeah, wild body.
Okay.
Just turned 21, man. Just
Okay.
turned 21.
Hey, congrats,
Dreams
man.
are true, bro. Anything's possible, bro.
I hear the man. Cool guy, bro. Cool guy.
You got the wild body at 21.
This shit smooth, man. This shit smooth.
Smooth as hell.
D-bags.
D-bags, so they don't know. D-bags, so they don't know. Okay. Smooth guy. Oh, he calling them though.
He on the phone with him right now. Them boys finna make some money on him right now.
They trying to race, bro. We witnessing a
And we
race.
got the RTC. We can
Make
really.
sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh, my bad, bro.
It's another SRT chilling.
What it do?
Let me hear some. Hey, Burrows? Is that Burrows? Nah, she got that.
Look, we ain't even beat the cat.
This shit smooth.
Hell.
Sherman's far.
Lane Hawk. That's what I brought.
Oh, this your boy, Lane Hawk.
That's what I was talking about.
We got the 392, motherfucker. Hey, the cars out here, bro. We done found the Mopar things, bro. It's almost a car accident right there. Safety.
Yeah.
Let me check out. There go another cat right there.
Yeah, bro. Hey, we gonna stay tuned and see if they gonna race, man.
What's up?
Oh, hold on, they pointing. They pointing. They trying to race. He got the Brembo, and he got the. Hey, he got the quad tips, twin. He got the quad. He got the quad tips. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. He don't want to do that, twin. He don't want to do that. The interior though?
You got to get the interior, bro. You got to get the interior.
He got the star lights in there, man.
Oh no, the scat on the seat with the lights. Come on, twin. He really like that.
Come on, don't play with him. Don't play with him on the light note.
Hey, make sure you keep the cameras on. I'm spinning on the way out.
So good. I like that. I like
Hit
that.
a tree or something.
On the light note, he just turned 21. On the light
I
note.
didn't even see that.
God,
On the light note. Fucks with it, man. Y'all better stay tuned, man.
God.
They don't want to race though. I ain't
Joe
lying.
57 out here today.
I could have parked my joint right here.
God,
And you could have been
my joint
right here.
Right here.
Or I could have been right there.
P as hell.
Come on now.
Hell yeah.
We got Mr. Goddamn it. Glad.
Mr. Goddamn.
We got the wide body scat. And it's the film in there. Shout out to the films. Okay.
She on some Hello Kitty shit.
Good.
But we definitely gonna catch bro when he leave, cause he said he gonna spin that bitch. So we gonna catch his ass. We
You gonna spin that bit, bro? I said, when you gonna spin your shit? You said you spin it when you leave. When I leave?
type set.
I'm gonna bail on a little bit.
Alright, bet. We ain't gonna stay too far. Still got the SRT with the Beamer next to it, with the red guts, with the drop top. You can get your shit stolen anytime.
SRT on that shit.
Got the Super next
And he
to
got
it.
the plate cover. That means he do something dangerous.
Bro, Lane Hawks. And it's the Daytona.
Hey, of course.
You don't know yet.
You know, you
Fuck the
ain't
Bush.
listening to me, bro.
That's that group, bro. Hurt.
I work at it. Hey, matter of fact, this is the GT.
I work at the dealership, so I'm gonna see you.
We got the Beamer. Oh, they check.
These niggas.
They checking the Beamer.
Ain't no cat. Ain't no gas, it's cat. That's a cat.
He says it's a scat.
He done figured it out. He said he work at the dealership.
He not paying him. I ain't gonna lie. He look like the type to not pay him.
Ooh.
Bro with the blue. Bro in the. He look like the type to not pay them niggas. He like the. Why he trying to park right in between though, gang? He trying to park right in between.
Tell him, gang. Tell him. It's the RT. This is a Dodge Challenger SE.
It been smooth
The
though.
wide body kit
He said that's the beige.
I want to see you slide out this hole though. Okay.
I want to do a little donut. How much on the dash?
I'm just gonna get some. He got a 300 swap. He got a 300 swap.
Really be showing. People really be high in their car for these races.
Let's get up out of here, bruh.
God.
For somebody to get jacked.
Them niggas really be high in their car for that race. They know them races.
He said I work at the dealership. I can tell you lying. Boy, don't do no cats.
Got the Volkswagen. Volkswagen singing to us. That bitch singing to us like a trumpet. He said he finna.
Stay right here.
Ain't no way he finna slide right here though.
He's not sliding right here.
He get a little. He might hit something. That bitch is a wide body.
Then he gonna do something. He said he had the kit on that bitch though. He said you can't lie to me. I work at the dealership. He said you can't lie to me. He lied to us though. We don't work at the dealership.
We don't work at it.
We don't work at the dealership.
I'm gonna cut him a wide body.
But we gonna see bro roll out of here. Hey, you gotta give him credit though. He had the stars on the light. He had the stars on that joint. He had the shit going. He was turned. He said he just turned 21. 20. Come on.
That nigga,
Come on. He still turned. He still turned. Don't play with him. Let's see, but he coming though. Let me get out the way, bro. He might hit some shit. I ain't lying. Okay.
We try to pick them.
These crews are right there.
Hey, shit, safety gang, don't do it. If you don't got it, don't do it. I don't know.
Know it. I don't even know it.
really that bit tight.
You say you want this?
I got the wheel.
Got it.
Trust that. Oh, God.
Okay.
He said he
you
got the wheel.
You got it. Tell me something.
Please don't.
We should go check and see if it's something.
He made the alarm go off. He don't even got the plate cover.
He trim. That shit was that loud. Though.
God, it was that loud.
That shit. But
I don't think nobody was in
sound like
that.
no. It ain't sound nothing too crazy though.
He got bro car going off.
But it's
Carbon fiber was too.
Got the. Is he gonna let me hear something though? I don't think so. I don't think so. But y'all, it's hot. We got the 300. Is his car still going off over there? We got the SS. I thought it was a Z01. I thought it was a Z01.
the air vents on the hood. You got the air vents on the hood.
We got the.
That bit is nice.
We got the 300.
He done hopped on the truck. I didn't even know the truck was on.
We got the 300. What y'all think about these wheels, bro? It's the 345. And that bitch say trick or treat. What y'all think about the 300? Oh yeah, we got it. I had to put a cam out for this. We finally seen it. Oh! We got the biggest Mopar. We found the Mopar, and it's the biggest Mopar of them all. He cool as hell. Then we got the Mac 1 right after. Let me hear something, Mac.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we got a 5.0 right here. My nigga says it's smooth. Funny as hell.
Got the Hellcat. Uh-oh. We got the wide body motherfucker. The wide body scat.
Scatty right there.
With the SRT brakes on it.
That bitch
But,
look like it be sliding. Clean it
that
up.
joint stupid now. His joint is dirty. And then behind us we got the. Feel me? We got the slim body cat. Got the slim body cat. Engine looking nice. Shout out to the owner, bro. That joint snap.
Bad. Ain't he? even peep that.
I ain't gonna lie, he do got the fat tires in the back. God dog. My nigga got the fat tires in the back. Straight out of Virginia, man. Shout out to
Yeah,
him.
I'm saying the back's big as hell.
Bro go crazy with it.
Oh, this that one nigga.
Smooth guy, smooth guy.
I'm surprised he don't do the chasing this bitch. He might do it just for fun.
He probably don't do the dash.
You don't think so?
We got the push.
Geez, don't underestimate the white man now. That nigga will do the dash. He know what he got in that bitch, just like we know. I'm telling you now.
Can't forget the GTR though. It's smooth though. Got the smooth little GTR with the carbon lip. Yeah.
It really ain't shit out here, bro.
Jay
Seen a couple.
Jay say he had to pee.
He finna go in Twin Peaks.
It's gonna take 50 minutes.
He finna go boo boo. He finna go boo boo.
We follow the noise.
Oh.
Oh, it's the motorcycle. We might as well post up over here. What is this though? This is the SRT8?
Oh,
I think we got the
426.
Oh, this is the 426. Shares in the beginning. Glue maker. SRT8, I think though. Smooth. He got the fishbowl though. No 10. And it's a manual. I wanna hear that joint one more time though. I ain't lying. We're not gonna hit that joint again though, bro. It's really deep out here. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Comment down what y'all wanna see with the new cam. Let me know how the cam look. First vlog with it. Many more to come. Yeah, bro. I think that's gonna clear up today, bro. Why is she running? Why are you running? Let me hear it one more time. One more time. God damn.
That shit loud as fuck, man. I know that bitch take off. That bitch take off. I'm already knowing that bitch take off.
That joint fast as hell. I was literally feeling that joint in my chest, bro.
Oh
Like,
God, I heard it in my ears, man. That bitch hurt.
that shit's crazy. Woo, my bad, ma'am. Excuse me. Shoot, I almost ran into you. I almost ran into you. My fault.
Hey, these with the bucks on YouTube.
Damn. But yeah, bro.
Watch that shit. Watch.
Damn, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna have to go look at that before it's over. I'm gonna have to get this. I have to get this before it ends. He didn't do it though. I wanted to hear it one more time. It was that. What? It was that. Yes. It was that making that noise, man. I'm telling you.
That bitch look devious, man. It got me nervous.
I need to hear one more thing before I end the vlog.
You said what?
There it goes.
That's the GT. That's the show.
There it goes.
Right there,
We're gonna hear it one more time. GT 500. Look, even the lady recorded.
350.
Love it.
That's a 5.0. It was a 350 somewhere though.
Let me hear it again.
Hey, them cookout niggas 5.0s be sounding way better though.
I ain't no cat. If you know, you know.
Look at that lady. Why you being?
Alright, that's gonna conclude the Twin Peaks vlog. Good little meat, I give it a little smoke, 8 out of 10. Cool little vibe. Yeah. We out here, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we out.
We out here. Right here.
His shit is chopping. Hold up. His shit chopping. Go! His joint jumping. Pause. Pause. Yo, bro, going.
That's that 5-0.
It's niggas everywhere. I don't even know where to go. Y'all gotta see this though. I gotta show y'all this Cali.
Cut up for the kill.
You got the Ultra Town. I don't know where to go. I don't know if I want to fuck with him or I want to fuck with him, bro. Got the cat. Y'all know y'all love to see the cat. And it's a red eye. But why it sound like that, y'all?
He got slicks on.
Got the truck next to it too. Got the Raptor. Feel me? We got the ultimate cat we've been watching. We got the Ram from the startup. We got the classic cars over there. Gang right there. We outside. My phone dead. I can't even show what time it is. Yeah, bro. We got the low riders. We got everything out here tonight, man. I really want to see what the cat talking about, bro. I want to see what the SRT got.
Look at it.
Come on, we gotta catch the cat, bro. We've been waiting for the cat. They going crazy over there, but I don't care, bro. Mopar for life, bro. Feel me?
Don't disappoint. But I ain't gonna lie, ain't no point in getting deep, bro. It's like everybody leave. But once he leaves, bro, we should.
That's major dick riding, I ain't gonna lie. That's major dick riding, I ain't lying.
That's bad.
I missed it, y'all. Fuck! I missed it. It's chopping though. Hear it. Got everybody waiting, bro. Look, come on. Go. My battery finna die. Go on. We gotta do it. Got everybody waiting, bro. Damn. Uh-oh. That's it. He's about to leave. Oh. Come on, man.
I can't even say the words right. He got the loudest cat here. I didn't say it right again, but he got the loudest cat here. And he don't look real. So why he just doing like that, Jay?
I've seen us waiting all that time.
All of us waiting.
Alright, y'all, let's go in the video. Bro, didn't read that shit.
FGB.
FGB, we out. Like, comment, subscribe.